almost there. Is this gonna reach?
Well, if it doesn't, we're fucked.
No, it will. Hey? Yeah, it will. This yard on it here.
What fuck size is this?
Oh, you got a light. Would you run out of money to pay me or what? Keep threatening he's got to buy batteries for my flashlight. And they're rechargeable, so I just take them home and put them in a charger. It has all those functions, like you push the button once and it flashes. You push it the second time and it's on dim, and you want it on bright, then you got to push the button again. Like, what the hell do you need all that other shit?
Fuck your goddamn self. This is like the worst
That's
fucking
an impossibility.
Thing. This so is this screw. This is fucking ridiculous.
You know, I really like doing this.
I love cars, yeah. I love fixing up old cars. Yeah, this is the fucking best.
I wonder what would happen if he hated it. There's too much swearing going on in there. It's hard on the ears.
Yeah.
When you get down in.
Yeah, best to stay away. Okay, I got one off. Now we're gonna try and get the big one off. And it's coming off. Okay,
Do they not have any clamps on them or anything? Well, we siphoned all the old shit out of here. Do you remember that?
No. Good.
Remember Stephen had that siphon thing?
Oh yeah, that's right.
And we siphoned it all out and put in new stuff. But that was last year. Good thing you're not flat rating this. I think it's what, 0.3 or something?
Yeah, that's right. Going on 4 years. Not making any money on this job.
Paycheck's pretty small. What's
well, it's the big ring on the outside. Everything else is off.
Well, that basically goes on the same as any other vehicle, eh?
Well, you just got to unthread it, but you try getting it with 2 fingers. Everything's in the way.
I think you're going to have to get a long screwdriver and put it into one of those hooks and then just pry down against this part here, like, you know.
Yeah. Look at this bullshit. Oh my god. It'll move a bit. There. I moved it.
I heard it pop, yeah.
It's just like you're talking about flat rate. Yeah. The first one's going to take a while. Yeah. The trouble with this kind of thing is that there's only going to be one.
Yeah.
I'm never doing this again. The next time this car needs a fuel pump, it's going to the junkyard. Idiot's nightmare.
Oh, whoopie ding, you got it.
Fuck yeah. Okay, now we still got lots of fucking shit. Still got a couple of hoses to deal with here. This is one of the worst fucking things I've ever had to work on. And I've had to work on some dumb fucking shit.
Usually European cars are
there's a big rubber seal here,
that's
right?
probably stuck to the seal.
And it's been in there for so long.
It's been in there so tight for so long then.
Yeah. We can't, if we break anything now, it's game over. Because I didn't buy any of this plastic. All I bought was the pump. Okay, I think we got to get more at the bottom. There it goes. I think we just did it. Yeah, we got it, boys.
Yay!
I think. There.
Yay! Woohoo!
Easy as pie, right?
Yeah. Oh, that was simple.
Yeah, well, we didn't break it.
Yeah, piece of piss.
I thought it was easy.
We're not.
Have you learned any new swear words since you've come here? Have you?
Yeah. I like Idiot's Nightmare.
Yeah.
You got some favorites?
Good one.
Okay. Yeah. I've learned quite a few.
Fuck. Okay, well, here goes now.
I got the plastic caps.
Tight fit. The key is on, so stand aside in case she fucking blows.
Oh, no.
I don't think it's gonna blow.
Nah.
Okay, well, it didn't blow.
I hear something buzzing. Oh, she wants to go.
better than we usually get.
Oh yeah. Hey. Hey.
That's the longest it's run in 5 years.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what the problem was, huh? It was worth it, huh? It's running nice, eh?
Sounds good now. Yeah, sounds good. Still some work to do, but at least it runs now. At least it's worth trying now.
Yeah.
There, it's sounding better now. Does it go into gear? Yes.
Does it turn?
It's stuck. There we go. She's out. She's turning and driving. Well, that's good news. Yeah, the gas gauge went up a bit, so that's good.
Yeah.
And yeah, you can see, oh, check engine lights on, but whatever.
Oh, is it?
134 kilometers. Yeah, well, we'll have to go. I mean, hasn't run in 5 years.
Well, yeah.
Brakes are probably all stuck, but the pedal feels fine, so we're not getting any danger here. Well,
We can stop it, can we?
oh yeah, for sure. The pedal's right at the top. You can hear that grinding sound as the rust on the rotors, I think.
Yeah. No, that'll wear off.
Well,
Huh?
I'll probably have to do all that stuff.
Well, clean them up anyway, huh?
Yeah, well, it's a very low mile car. It's the
Well-
only reason I bothered fixing it. These things last supposedly like 700,000 kilometers.
Oh, yeah.
So if I fix this car up, it'll last me the rest of my life.
Yeah.
I mean, shit, my $200 Newport lasted me 20-something years.
Yeah. And you only paid $200
That's
for
right.
that.
So I've already got way more into this.
Yeah.
I've got almost $1,000 into this one.
Well, it should
Count
last
my
you,
new
last
battery.
you 5 times as much then.
Yeah. Well, it'll have to last me 500 years.
Yeah.
Well, it drives good.
Oh, yeah.
It goes straight, but you can see the tires are all fucking
Well,
junk. But that's okay. We're just going
Yeah.
up to the stop sign and back. Doesn't hurt to put a little bit of gas through it.
now you gotta go and get it washed. Look at the
Yeah, I know.
goddamn mess here.
No, this is washing it. This is how I'm washing it.
Yeah, just drive her down a
Yeah.
sloppy road.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice car.
Oh yeah, once it's done, it will
Yeah.
be. So we'll
Like,
make
look
sure
at
the
the
seat goes back.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, the windshield's good. It's another
Yeah.
major thing is
Yeah.
like it won't
Yeah.
pass a write-off
Yeah.
inspection with a broken windshield.
No.
So,
No, this is one nice freaking car.
yeah, these were very expensive when they were new.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, this is great. This is like
Oh, yeah,
fucking
like
proper
Christ,
car.
like heaven compared to the shit you've been driving.
right? Whatever I invest in it now is pretty insignificant because the frame is fixed and like Al did a great job on it. And I've even painted the jams. It's kind of all over the road. You can see when it.
Yeah.
I think the alignment is bad, or it's just maybe the tires, but it seems
Yeah.
to hunt around a bit. So we're gonna have to get the alignment done. It
Signal
seems
light
pretty
works?
bad.
Holy fuck. Huh?
Well, maybe. Well, I
Yeah.
guess it's working.
Signal works.
Yeah, it's quieting down. Well, that's exciting. I cannot tell you how excited I am to put this car together. Finally, I really thought
It was
a
worth
goner.
the fucking doing.
Well, and when we got that fuel pump out, the old one was all melted and rusty.
Yeah.
Like you could see where it had gotten hot and bubbled all the plastic. Listen to that. Well, let's have a look under the hood again. I'm just happy it's running. I can't hardly believe it. Oh, that's to turn it off. Just leave it in. Let go with your, now try it. Yeah, see?
Oh, okay.
I didn't know there was a kill switch for
Well,
the
I
seat.
didn't know
What
either.
kind of stupid shit is that?
Why would
you have a kill switch for the seat? Oh, well, now it's too bad. We have to go for another drive.
No. No, that's okay.
Listen to this. All the ticking went away. That sounds great.
Oh, I hear
AC or what?
AC kicking in and out.
Oh. Well, that's fine. I guess that might need some dealing, but yeah, that'll probably all need to be checked and charged. But
Topped off.
the thing is, I didn't really care for a while, but lately there are no good used cars left.
Well, that's
so
right.
you're kind of left.
Yeah.
Yeah, for $5,000 you can barely make it home. So
Yeah.
like, well, here's a car that the modern equivalent's $100,000. So let's fix it up. Yeah, she seems to be doing okay. We'll drive it a bit and I'll see what we bought a code reader. I'll try and figure out what that means. At least it moves itself around now. Makes it a lot easier to work on. It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.